Hi there, Linen Store team. I was actually checking out your Amazon strategy here, and I'd like to congratulate you for having positive 4.6 star ratings. I know how hard it is to achieve. Seeing this, it's a job well done. My name is Jen from the Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'd like to walk you through a few potential opportunities your team might want to consider. First thing I'd like to discuss is traffic and what drives traffic to your listings are keywords. This is your past 30 days of keyword distribution, and you have 944 of organic running ads for 75. This tells us that you have good foundation, but this can be better. Considering that you're in a high competitive category, there are tons of additional keywords to bid on and index for. Now, we typically recommend a healthy golden ratio of 1 is to 2, which means that in every to organic, we aim to have one paid for better traffic and conversion. And I can see that you're really skewing low on your paid. We all know it remains the fastest way to boost visibility in sales if you have or if you know what keywords to target. So we can still improve your numbers. Down here, let's see how your keywords are currently performing. Now I can see there's a lot of spaces. These are your organic rankings and sponsored. And I can see that you are indexing for some of the highly relevant keywords. This one here, Queen Zippered Mattress Protector. There's more than 1,000 of people searching for this keyword, and you're no longer showing up in the first page. This is limiting your potential visibility in traffic, and you're missing out a lot of potential sales. So you're buried pages and pages deep for most of the keywords, especially for rankings that you're on the higher triple digits. It will take a lot of scrolling before your potential customer can even see your product, not to mention tons of sponsored products on top of it. Also, if you're bidding, you're on the higher double digits. So this is hurting your sales as well. And we can work on improving your ranking. So let me show you how big your category is. Just in the top 50 listings on one keyword alone, Queen Supered Mattress Protector brought in over $30 million dollars in revenue. This is to give you an idea that your category is huge and there's a lot of market share to take advantage of. So these are the past 30 days of sales and revenue. Let's take a look at this brand here. Match Essentials. So I'm not doing any product comparison. There's pricing difference here. But as you can see, they've generated over 1,000 unit sales and over $50,000 in revenue, while your brand have generated 19 unit sales and over $400 in revenue. So your brand is not capturing as much market share as it could be. And let's take a look at how they are strategizing on their keywords. So I'm not doing any product comparison just to give you an idea, and you might want to benefit from their strategy. And as you can see, this is what may be driving this brand's higher sales. They're running ads for over 1,000 and they're indexing for way more keywords here. They have over 3,000. So they have broader reach and higher chances of ranking for key search terms. And we can help you run a keyword gap analysis here. We can take top 10 of your competitors, identify the top keywords they're ranking for, incorporate that delisting. That way you can have similar visibility as other leading brands here are getting. Now let's go back to your product detail page to see what else we can improve. Now, as you can see on your title, you're above the limit here. So Amazon roll out new updates that product title will be limited to 75 characters. So you might want to update this and focus on high value keywords to still maximize your visibility. And we can talk more about the changes as well as top highlights here if you book a call with us. But for your main image, so here, you need to have a white background to follow with Amazon standards. We do have different CTR hacks to share if you book a call with us. You have your lifestyle photos, product features, infographic. You might want to consider adding demographic, a picture of your target avatar looking at the camera showing your product. That will really create a sense of connections to your potential customers. Adding a video can add credibility to your product listing. Having a variation on your image stack increases click through rate and sales potential. So down here, you have your product description. However, this is or these are plain text, and this is not enticing to your viewers. I'd like to show you how we approach A plus content. So this is one of our projects here for the brand Ducky. First, we can help you up. Or we can help you set up rather a brand story. It's very important because this will definitely boost your brand's awareness, and you can showcase how your brand sets apart from other competitors using different templates. And by adding clickable links, it can help increase your average order value. Take note that this can be a deciding factor in driving conversion. With A plus content, we can utilize different A plus modules to share more visually appealing images of your product, videos, and share informative content to give buyers clarity and confidence. We can utilize scrollable text to double your organic and get more visibility with Amazon's algorithm because these are additional traffic. Now we can enhance your overall brand presentation and conversion. So those are just a few tips. Here at My Amazon Guy, we are a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands, $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. If you want full recommendation, you can book a call with us and speak directly with one of our Amazon experts. Thank you for watching.